These clip-on solar lights are just so easy to use. You can see here on the back side, we've got a clip. So this allows you to put it really anywhere. You don't have to mount this anywhere with any screws. You can put it on a fence, a gutter, gates. You can even take it camping and use it in your campsite, use it inside the tent. So we got a large solar panel right up here. It takes right around 6 to 8 hours to charge, and it has a runtime of right around 8 to 10 hours. This is all waterproof, IP65, so it's no problem whatsoever out in the weather. And you can see here we've got a lot of LEDs on both sides. On the right side, the left side, and a lot on the front. So it's a total of 160 LEDs. This is actually good for right around 800 square feet. So this is super easy to use. Right here is our motion sensor and light sensor, and this is our power button. It actually has 3 modes. You just click whichever one you want to, and the way it works is that one mode is it's on at 30%. When you walk by it, it jumps up to 100%, or it's just going to be off, and then when you walk by it, it's 100%, or you could just leave it on all the time, but it's actually going to be dim. Also, one thing worth mentioning is the clip right here. This is kind of cushioned, so that way if you put it on any type of surface, especially gutters, it's not going to mar up the surface since this is nice and soft. I love that it's so portable, easy to use, and it's bright with 3 different modes. Hope you found this review helpful.